Good morning, everyone. How are you today? This is my Bible verse for this morning from John 13, verse 21. When Jesus had thus said, he was troubled in spirit, and testified and said, Verily, verily, I say unto you, the one of you shall betray me. From John 13:21. Judas has become one of the most despised figures in all the Bible, betraying Jesus for 30 pieces of silver. Apparently, some of us have our price. Whilst one would hope for all true believers, this is unthinkable. One may imagine that in time, Judas came to despise his 30 pieces of silver overcome with pale guilt. Famously, he returned his money, knowing that after Christ's condemnation, they had become worthless. Be not a slave to one's greed then. God will provide what cannot be purchased in this life. Prayer. Father of heaven, hallowed and holy be your name, for yours is the kingdom, within which our earthly riches are but nothing compared to your grace and salvation. Let me not fall into greed or become a slave, bonded to material greeds. For you are my Creator, for whom I am forever indebted and forever owe my servitude. Amen. What a beautiful Bible verse. Always remember, guys, God don't like greedy person. Remember that. God don't like greedy person. That's why we need to be a good steward of our money. Of our our money is not our money, it's God's money. Okay, remember that all the time. That we just steward to his treasure here on earth, the money. So be aware of your heart. Greediness is from the heart. It's not good to our soul. Always remember, Jesus loved us so much. God bless everyone.